Kapag kanta guys, Too Much Love Will Kill You by Jobit Valdevino. Start na. I'm just the pieces of the man I used to be. So many better tears are raining down on me. I'm far away from home and I've been facing this alone for much too long. Oh, I feel like no one ever told the truth to me about growing up and what a struggle it would be. And my tangled state of mind, I've been looking back to find where I went wrong. Too much love will kill you if you can't pick up your mind. Torn between the lover and the love you leave behind. You're headed for disaster cause you never read the signs. Too much love will kill you every time. I'm just the shadow of the man I used to be, and it seems like there's no way out of this for me. I used to bring you sunshine, now all I ever do is bring you down. How it would be if you were standing in my shoes. Can't you see that it's impossible to choose? No, there's no making sense of it. Every way I go, I'm bound to lose. Oh, yeah! Too much love will kill you. Just as sure as not at all. It's drain the power that's in you. Make you plead and scream and crawl. And the pain will make you crazy. You're the victim of your crime. Too much love will kill you every time. Yeah, too much love will kill you. I'll make your life a lie. Yes, too much love will kill you, and you don't understand why. You gave your life, you sell your soul, but here it comes again. Too much love